Welcome to Southern Manufacturing 2025 here on the Guhring stand, and it's amazing, Chris, how much you guys can actually fit on just one table. The range of products here is interesting.
It's a good range, but it's a very small section of our product range as well. So everything from your carbon fibre, general machining, deep hole drilling, PCD, all the way through to your hand tools as well.
Yeah, and there's a lot of this here, but there's even a wider range in the catalogue.
Yeah, the catalogue, we've got 45,000 product range in there, all held on the shelf in Birmingham, ready for next day delivery or same day collection.
Yeah, absolutely, and that's for the products that you sell, but there's also, that's off the shelf. There's also PCD cutters here, and these are all made to spec.
Yep, special tools. We've got a big facility, again, in Birmingham in the UK. We design it, manufacture it there, and for the home sales within the UK.
Yeah, and so with the PCD tooling as well, you can save quite a lot on cycle times.
With form tools like that, if you're generating it with a 5-axis machine, it could take 45, 50 minutes, something like that. With a form tool, we can get it down to a minute maybe.
Absolutely, and with all these products going out with next day delivery, what challenges do you face getting products out to customers, and also making sure they get the best out of their investments? How do you make sure that they, once the tool's delivered, they can make the best use out of that investment?
Yeah, I mean, we can guarantee next day delivery because of the UK stock, but we've also got the 22 engineers on the road as well, which should go out to the customer. We can stand on a duck board and we can run the trials with the customer and make sure that they've optimised the feeds and speeds and the right cutting conditions.
And how important is the engineering experience to that team of engineers? How important is their experience to what they could do for your customers?
Well, they're exactly that. They're a team of engineers, not a team of salespeople. They've all done their time on the shop floor. So they've had the problem before and they're just replicating that within the customer and on the customer's application.
Absolutely, so a massive range of tools here at Guhring, available next day and backed up by a team of 22 engineers.